Hello guys, we're back at it again. We're going to a little hunting hole we go to normally. We're gonna see if we can pull out today. We want some sheep heads, get a couple of croakers, maybe a few crabs. So we're gonna see if it's gonna be another good one. You gotta buy good product if you want to catch good fish. Them baby shrimp, to me, don't work. You have to get some real good, nice size shrimp. Throwback. Yeah. See what we're working with. I don't know. It got a little size on it. Can't tell what it is yet. Let's see now. Is it another cat daddy? Or is it old sheeper we've been looking for? Oh. Cat daddy. Another throwback. Nah. Hard heads, no good. He bit on the crab though. He bit on the crab. Let's see what we got here, baby. Somebody's gonna strike out. He's gonna hit that pocket by that damn tree. I let him run. Let him back up the tree. He went to the tree, didn't he? I let him back off the tree. He on the tree. Oh, he on the fucking tree. Yeah, see the line? I gotta let him run off the tree and run back the other way. There you go. Can't off me. Yeah. There we go. Drum daddy. You gotta make sure you're the right size, which I doubt it. Oh, right at 14 inches. Ooh. Yeah, he right at 14 inches. That's a keeper size. That is a keeper size. But we'll let him make it this time. Give him get a little bit bigger. Nice fight, buddy. Well, got nothing on that one. Look like unless he hung up in this one. Like we got a twofer over here unless he hung up in the same line. I think we might be just tangled up. That's what I think. Feel like old cat daddy. Just gonna come on in, huh? Okay. Oh, another one. Hey, I might have to keep him. He's a hefty one. He's a hefty heifer. Nah, she's shorter than the last one, but she's a little bit fatter. So that's number 2. That's number 2 about what we do. Feel like another cat daddy. Nothing tremendous. Oh, what's that? Cat daddy. See? I don't know about this day, guys. Cat daddies are here to stay. I think we got a winner here, people. we catching some bait, people. We got a little bait fish here. I don't know.
Yeah, a little bait.
We got him on one, too. Oh, is that a red? Oh, got him a red. Oh.
First red of the day.
First red of the day, people.
Yes, sir. This is what I do.
Ah, bye. That's what I'm talking about. Get your white pliers over there. Put it in his mouth. Check out the edges. I think we got another one of those people. 13 inches or a small bar. We gotta let him go. He's going by that tree. I can't see it.
You going by the tree branch?
Mm-hmm. Better let him back off. Oh, he right there. I see him.
See him?
See him right there?
Yeah, he right there by that tree branch.
Let him pop off of there. Gotta come off of that, baby. Back up, pop.
Not too patient with that way. Give me a second.
You gotta be blessed, man. So much stuff over there. Got it. Got it. Uh-oh. Is that another red, baby? He might be a keeper. On that crab, see that?
Wow.
Got a nothing on the 1 and 2. Let's see. Inches and a half. Now we always gotta go and check to make sure that we're legal. So, pull up my phone. This is where you don't get in trouble, folks. Legal size limit for bull red.
28-inch. According to con.com, 3 per day, 20-inch minimum length, 28-inch maximum length.
20 inches.
License here, accept.
Okay, that's for a slot?
31 and
20 inches. And where we say we was at?
Is it 21 and a half? Or something like that.
Oh, he's a keeper. He's a keeper. Oh, this is a baby. Probably another little drum. Or maybe a cat daddy. I need some duck bait. What we got here? What we got here? Oh, another red.
Like the same one I caught.
Gotta let him go back, people. Gotta let him go back. Man. Nothing. I don't think there's nothing major like that. Oh, well, let me take that back.
Got some fight on him?
He trying. He trying. Drummy boy. Old drummy boy. Old drummy boy on the 1 and 2. He too little. Dang. I want one I can take home, baby. Baby boy, we gotta let him go back though. Nice tender meat though. See you. Okay. Okay, got a little head shake. Got a little head shake. Another red or what? Oh, he wanna come on in, he lazy. He don't wanna fight. He don't wanna fight. Okay, cat daddy. Yeah, we know what we're gonna do with you, baby. Cut Bait City. What's going on, guys? So far so good. Great day. Trout, reds, black drum, some undersized, majority of them undersized. We kept a few. Let everything else go. Now I got a bass lure and a gulp. Just trying something. We're outside having a good time, so we're gonna see what we can get done. Here we go. We got one more little one, man. I mean, we catching the drums, but they undersized, so we gotta let that boy go home to the fancy and get a little big. We catch it next year. Cat Daddy Heaven? No, he gotta go back. Sorry, now. Oh, yes, ma. Yes, sir.
Hold on.
Sixteen inches. Yeah, she going home with Daddy. We gotta look this up to make sure. Speckled trout. Yeah, one more for the people. Black drum on the ones and twos. Size limit for speckled trout.
15 to 25 inch.
16 inches.
Houston Chronicle. The current.
I didn't get a picture. I didn't get a bad picture.
Okay, come on, check this out. Little Mike, I'm finna start working at Republic Beverage. They got me on second shift though.
I already know he's too small. Fresh cat to me.
There you go, my boy on the ones and twos. See what he got here, folks. You feeling? Yeah. Come on with it.
Got no pride on it. No clue what it is.
Hold on. Let him back up. Open your bell. Okay. Let him back up out of that spot. Nah. Yeah, you just gotta let him back up a little bit. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Number two.
Number two. What we gonna do?
This one way bigger than
We had a great time at that spot, caught a lot of fish, but we released a lot of fish, so they gotta go back. We gotta go by the law. Good day.